Guys, I cannot contain my excitement because today I am making a gingerbread house for my cats. I'm just really excited and I'm so ready for this. Let's go. Gotta get to the cardboard. Ooh, I don't have a ton of cardboard left. I still have a good amount, but let's get some big pieces that I can use. Let's see. See, I keep all of this cardboard for a reason. Someone in my last video was like, cardboard, you shouldn't keep your cardboard. Guys, I keep my cardboard for crafts, okay? For projects. There's so much you can do with cardboard. All right, I've got some supplies. I've got some wood glue, scissors, rotary cutter. I thought that would work maybe for cardboard. I've got different types of tape, pens and pencils. And then I also thought maybe chip clips might be able to help hold things in place while things are drying. Who knows? And then of course, a mat. Let's see, hopefully this is all I need and of course like the paint and stuff when I decorate it, but hopefully this will get me by. Let's go. He's already excited about it. Aren't you already excited about it? Okay, I'll mostly just use this for the bottom part of it. Oh yeah, we are getting there. This is taking so much longer than I thought it was going to. I've been listening to a book, B.E. Schwab. I love her, but her most recent book, Bury Your Bones in the Midnight Soil, wow, is it depressing. It's about vampires. I'm not the biggest vampire person, but it's very on the nose about having a toxic relationship and things like that. And I'm like, I need a break from this. So needless to say, I'm watching one of my favorite YouTubers now, Caroline Winkler. Yeah, Winkler. That's it. She's super fun, so I needed a break from that book. Do we need a red roof? I think a red roof would be cute. Do I have enough red paint? I'm not sure. We'll see. Maybe it's a little small, but it's okay. I can set it here. And I can make some little smoke coming out or something. That would be cute. It looks really small. Ooh. Uh-oh. Wait, buddy. It's still wet. Can't go in yet. I'm thinking I want to have a sign up, but I want to be able to change the sign for the different seasons, you know, because I'm gonna repaint this and stuff like that. So right now it's just the cabin. I think I'm gonna write like the winter cabin on it, and then I just put the little Christmas tree ornament hook, and then boom! It's so cute. It's time to make my super healthy latte. Biscoff latte. This latte is so good though, I have to say. I mean, obviously. It's obviously good. It's a cookie butter latte. So let's get this going. Don't judge how much I'm putting in here, okay? This is my sweet treat. Cheers. Oh, so good. Okay, with latte in hand, we will finish the kitty cabin today. I do need to put a different shirt on because this one is cute. Isn't this cute? Thrifted. It's cute, but I don't want to get paint on it, so let's change. All right, we're gonna add in the scratch pad. Here we go, scratch pad is in. Now, I know it's not perfect by any means, but I think I'm gonna keep, you like it? I think I'm gonna keep going with it through the seasons, and I'm gonna change it up and maybe make some more. Here's the door. That was cute. I might keep going. I'm gonna change like the aesthetic of it, but I think for now, let's see if the kitties like it. There is the kitty cabin. Let's see if they like it. Come here, guys. So, oh, we've got our first resident. Oh my gosh. You like the cabin? You like the cabin? Oh, Ralphie! Hey! You like the cabin? Yeah!